Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off screen time on iPhone. Let's do this. I just open up settings. Here I scroll down to find this option called screen time. Tap on it and here at the bottom I see this option, turn off screen time. And here I can, by tapping on this button again, turn off my screen time feature on this phone. Remember, if your phone gets screen time passcode, you need to know it to turn off your screen time feature. Let I show you how it happened. Just tap continue, my phone, and let use screen time passcode. Let it be 11111. Here I need to put in my Apple ID, and now I can see this option change screen time passcode. So passcode is installed, and when now I tap on turn off screen time option, I need to enter this screen time, so you gotta know it. And here it is, my screen time feature is now off on this phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time.